Hi there, welcome. Today I'm going to create a collage in my art journal. First, I will show you my supplies. I will also put in a list of the things that I'm going to use. You can make a screenshot of it if you would like to remember. I will also give you tips and tricks because overall this is really fun and I hope it's helpful for you as well. I actually made a video about creating a collage already, but that was 2 years ago and I did change my style a little bit through the years. So my first tip would be to pick a couple of colors for your collage. You don't have to start out with them immediately, but I think it doesn't matter so much how busy your layout is, as long as you use colors that are more or less cohesive. If you love taking pictures and editing them on your phone or on your laptop, it's perhaps really nice to print them and use them in your journal. You could also use pictures from old magazines or newspapers. What you see me doing here is tearing the edges of an old receipt and crumbling it. You can easily give paper a unique look by either doing this or staining it with coffee or tea. What I also really like to do is adding a drawing to the pages, so that's why I am using this paper sheet. To make pages look more interesting, I like to combine different materials. As I mentioned before, you can use anything that you have at home, like envelopes, vintage books that you can get at a local market or a second-hand bookstore. And once I have selected my layout, I first put all my pieces together and I arrange them to see which combinations I like best. Another tip would be to add something unexpected to your page. That is often the missing piece once you look at your work and you notice that it is not quite finished yet. Missing pieces could be dried flowers or autumn leaves to fit the season. You can easily dry them by putting them between the pages of a book for a couple of weeks. I also like to paint something, so what I did is spinning the starry sky on an old paper coaster. You would normally use these coasters to put your drinks on them, but in this way you can recycle them. Once you are satisfied with your layout, you can add glue to your pictures and drawings. I use tape to make sure that everything will stick. I have this love-hate relationship with glue since I always end up using too much of it, but you can use whatever you like or that you have at home. I also have 2 tips to fill the empty space that you still have left. I often do that by adding rectangular shapes. I think adding circles, for example, can be a really nice extra touch, or perhaps you still have some confetti and now is the time to actually use it. You could also fill up space by adding a calendar of the month, your favorite lyrics, or a poem. What also helps is adding small drawings or washi tape. And this is the end result. This video did not last long, so if you are looking for more tips and tricks or inspiration, I will link down below another video that I made about this. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye!